The biggest issue we see for pilots not scaling is actually the lack of leadership. Leadership who has a clear vision of what they want to accomplish and supporting the teams to actually reach that.
Every company is on a different path on their AI journey. But one thing they have in common, and that is upskilling the people and giving them the freedom to use these tools responsibly, is something that is a big differentiating factor.
The simplest first step of an organization to strengthen AI governance today is getting the foundation right by doing three things in particular: establishing clearly defined and documented roles and responsibilities, identifying and integrated new AI-related risk and control components, and last but not least, creating the required awareness by training and upskilling your people.
AI and how they're using it, it really drives usage. And so that was a very big aha for us, was understanding that actually leaders need to play a very big role in helping employees understand how they can use AI and making sure that they're doing that consistently.